Okay, we have a Marvel tilt frame vertical bandsaw, model Series 8 Mark II, serial number 826269. This machine was new in 2000 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has the vise. Right now we're running its variable speed from 50 to 400 feet per minute of the blade. It has an 18 by 22 capacity. It's 18-inch throat depth, a 22-inch height. At the vertical in the 90, at 45, it's 18 by 12 and 3/4. So it feeds through, then we bring it back. That's your variable speed. Machine also has a coolant system with a chip pan. Yep. All right, we're going to unlock it and tilt it. Again, this is a tilt frame. It tilts 45 degrees in each direction. Great for your I-beam work, structural steel. Okay, I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.